Why does your scanner show the P1237 engine code? What does it mean? P1237 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel pump secondary circuit fault. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected an issue with the circuit that sends power to the fuel pump. Specifically, the fuel pump driver module has reported a problem to the PCM. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel pump. Fuel pump driver module. Wiring issues. Fuel pump circuit open. Fuel pump relay or fuse. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. This can occur in various vehicles, but it's frequently associated with Ford, Volkswagen, and Audi models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.